Karnataka, where small traders across the state, including those dealing in condiments, bakeries, tea and coffee shops, have threatened a statewide shutdown on the 25th of July in protest against the goods and services tax demand notices issued by the Commercial Tax Department. Karnataka Commercial Taxes Department's decision to issue GST notices to traders whose annual UPI turnover exceeded 40 lakh rupees. Well, there's a protest now in the state of Karnataka. I'm going straight across to Nagarjun Dwarkanath for more details on that. Naga, there's been fair amount of concern among those traders, small traders using UPI, and this really is an extension of that. Give us a sense of what is now being said by authorities vis-a-vis the imposition of GST now on these small traders.
Well, over 11,000 notices have been issued. Businesses have been issued notice in Karnataka is what we are told in terms of the last 3 years financial transaction. Anyone who has transacted more than 40 lakh rupees annually have been given a notice by the Commercial Tax Department. Tea shops, cigarette shop, panipuri walas, street hawkers, street vendors, pan shops, all of them have been given notices is what we are told. They have united now and made a press statement that on July 25th, they would be shutting down their shops as a mark of protest if the GST or the Commercial Tax Department doesn't take their notices back. And they say that with what authority did Google Pay, Phone Pay or even UPI give the transaction details to the tax department, and they're unwilling to pay the tax at this point of time. However, what I got from Commercial Tax Department is also that it is injustice for the regular taxpayers. They have the data of people who have transacted 40 lakh and above in an annual return, and hence it is just as per law that the notice have been issued that they have to pay GST as well, is what the Commercial Tax Department is saying. However, the countdown is now July 25th is the deadline given by the Association of the Labour Activists that before that the Commercial Tax Department should withdraw the notice. If not, around 65,000 bakeries and condiments and tea shops, panipuri shops will be shut across Karnataka.
Nagarjun Dwarkanath, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment, getting asked those details after GST notices. Over 40 lakh UPI turnover to small traders. Imposition of taxes is what is now being said. Traders have threatened a shutdown is what they're now saying.